Good evening, everyone. How are you today? So, thank you so much for coming this evening. We can start our meditation practice. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. It is beautiful outside here, beautiful nature. At the same time, we are going to practice meditation. We are going to develop good thoughts. We are going to cultivate our mind. Be grateful for this moment. And take a few deep, long breaths. Relax your whole body. Relax your whole part of your body, from top of your head to low of your toes. Relax, relax. Let's practice loving kindness meditation, self-love. Firstly, feel yourself as your best friend. You are the best friend of yourself. That's why you are here. We know as a best friend, we always try to take care of ourselves strong and happily. Again, feel yourself as your best friend. And with that beautiful motivation, practice self-love. Say to yourself, wish to yourself, and bless to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be able to take care of myself happily. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your whole family members. Imagine their faces individually. If you have any difficult time with someone who lives with your family, try to let it go. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. May they be free from stress, anxiety, worries, difficulties, jealousy, anger. May they be free from all negative thoughts. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to the world. Send your loving and kind thoughts without any discrimination. We all are humans. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful, May they be able to find peaceful, healthy, relaxed environment. May they be able to take care of themselves healthy and happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. If you want to change your posture, you can change it mindfully and slowly. It is time to develop your unconditional love. If you have any difficult one or annoying people in your life, imagine their faces. No need to get anger. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful, may they be able to find noble friends. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. In this moment, we all develop our loving thoughts. think right now you are the one of the loveliest person in this world. Your heart is full of love, full of compassion. You don't have any negative thoughts. Try to develop your loving thoughts every day. Try to practice your loving thoughts every day. Now we can practice mindfulness meditation. Take a few deep long breaths and focus your natural ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing. Just focus your natural ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. So many thoughts, sounds, sensations may distract you. Let them come and go. Just focus your natural ordinary breath. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out. At the same time, you can see short breath in and out. When you see long breath, understand I am taking long breath. When you see short breath, observe I am taking short breath. Where is your attention? Are you chasing thoughts? Please come back to the breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly focus you inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you see you inside, you can see your spiritual, beautiful, skillful mind. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts every day. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understand is the important thing. It's mean you can fix your unskillful mind. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we are going to chant and bless you. Please listen in this chant lovingly and kindly. We are going to chant loving kindness, chanting. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagavārahං samma sambuddho vijja charana sampanno sugato lokavidu. Anuttaro purisa dhamma sārate sattha deva manussanam buddho bhagavati. Swakkato bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akaliko ehi passe opanayiko panchattan veditambo viñño eti supatipanno bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Ujupatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Ñāya Patipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Sāmici Patipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Adidan Chattari Purisa Yugani Atta Purisa Esa bhagavato sāvaka sangho āhuneyo pāhuneyo dakkineyo anjali karaneyo anuttaram puññakkentan lokan etena sacca vajjena dukkha upasamintu te etena sacca vajjena bhayavupasamintu te etena sacca vajjena rogavupasamintu te karaniya matta kusalena yantang santang padang abhisamenca sankho juca sujuca suvaco සන්තුස්ස කෝච සුබරෝච අම්පකින්චෝච සල්ලබුක බුන්ති සන්තේන්ද්‍රයෝච නිපකෝච අප්පගම්බෝ කුලේසු අනනුගෙන්දෝ නච කුද්දං සමාචරේ කිංචි පරේ උපවදේයොන් සුඛිනෝ වාකේමිනෝ සබ්බේ සන්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතන්තා ඒකේචි පාන භූතන්ති තසාවාතා අනවසේසා දීඝාවායේ මහන්තාවා මජ්ජිමාරස්ස කානුකතුලා දිට්ඨාවායේව අද්දින්ඨායේච දූරේ වසාන්ති අවිදූරේ භූතා සම්බේ සන්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතන්තා පරන්නිකුබ්බේත නාති මන්නේත කත්තචිනං කංචි ව්‍යාරෝෂනා නාඤ්ඤමඤ්ඤස්ස දුක්ඛමින්චේය මාතා යතානි අම්පුන්තං ආයුසා ඒවම්පි සබ්බ භූතේසු මාන සම්භාව අපරිමාණං තංච සබ්බ ලෝකස්මින් මාන සම්භාවයේ අපරිමාණං උන්දං අදෝච තිරියංච අසම්බාධං අවේරං තිට්ඨං චරන්නේ සින්නෝ වාසයානෝ වායාව තස්ස විගත ඒතං සතින් අදිච්චේය බ්‍රහ්මමේතං විහාරං ඉදමා වූ දිට්ඨින්ච දස්සනේන සම්පන්නෝ කාමේසු විනයගේ දන්නයි ජාතු ගබ්බසෙයි පුනරේතේතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයාවූප සමෙන්තු තේතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගාවූප සමෙන්තු තේ සම්බේතයෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සබ්බ සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්칸තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානම් පාපග්ගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන හන්තු තේසං උපද්දවේ ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්칸තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ඨා ච ගාමහින්දිකා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්칸තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ඨා ච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්칸තු ත්වං සදාති. So thank you so much for coming this beautiful evening. So it is so happy to see you all. Today I was thinking to share with you 3 ideas. I was talking this topic so many times, and today I was thinking I want to share with you again. One time Buddha taught his disciples there are 3 things we always have to understand, we always have to observe, we always have to discover. What is these 3 things? First one, it is called we have to observe, we have to discover about ourselves. That's the first one. Next one is we have to observe about our thoughts. The second one. Third one is we always have to find a good teacher to guide ourselves, because we need advice. So Buddha said these 3 ideas we always have to understand, we always have to think, we always have to discover about these 3 ideas. Maybe you remember one time I shared with you about human life. What is the definition of human word? Who can remember? One time I told you what is the definition of human word. So I'm going to tell you again. According to my language, Pali and Sanskrit language, we can describe human word like this. In my language we call manussa. So in English there are so many words: human, man. So we can explain this word like this: among the human beings who can develop, who can cultivate, who can raise their mind up to the maximum level. What do you think about that? Are you agree? We all can develop our mind. We all can raise our mind. We all can cultivate our mind. That's why we are practicing meditation. Also, we are reading, we are listening so many different things. We are looking for some advice. We are looking for some wisdom for our daily life. So, as a human, we can develop our mind. So what Buddha said, first one is try to understand, try to observe about yourself. There's a beautiful story I'd really like to share with you. There was a grandpa and little son. One day they were talking about so many different topics, about nature, about life, about technology and different things. So suddenly that son asked really interesting question. He asked from his grandpa, what is the meaning of me? What is the meaning of I? Please tell me, please explain. I am really curious. I want to know about that. Then grandpa was really surprised, because that little son asking really interesting question, very deep question. Then what he did, that grandpa told, you know my son, there are 3 persons inside you. There are 3 persons inside you. Maybe you know, maybe not. I'm also asking you, maybe you are not or not. So that grandpa told, there are 3 persons. First one is who inside you. He is very unkind. He is very unkind one. Also he is very lazy. He don't know what is the fear. He don't have any emotional part. He is very aggressive. So that's your first one. That's your first person who inside you. Did you notice that person inside you? Did you notice? Yeah. I am noticing too, inside me. So that grandpa told, you know my son, most of times people can see that person. It is easy to recognize. That's the first one. Then that grandpa told, your second one is, he is very kind. He's very kind, very nice, always looking for help people, very emotional, sometimes like a rabbit, very innocent. Then he explained about second person. Did you notice that one inside you? Yeah. Then that grandpa told, you know, my son, most of times people can't see him because they are always looking for that first person. It is easy to recognize. Second one is it is not easy. So this two person, good and bad person, always fighting inside you because they need your attention. Then that moment your third person show up. Who's your third person? Do you have any idea about your third person? That grandpa told, your third person always try to balance you, always try to manage you. That your first and two persons always fighting because they need your attention. That time your third person show up and try to balance. Then that grandpa told, he's the really important one. Try to protect that third person. So then we can discuss who's the first one. What do you think? Who's the first one? That grandpa told, your first one is your mind. That's your mind. Always your mind try to do some bad and good, both. Who's the second one? Do you have any idea about second one? He's innocent, kind, awesome, try to help people. Who's the second one? That's your heart. Okay? Now who's the third one? Mind, heart. Who's the third one? Any idea? Third one is really important one. You have to protect all the time. Then grandpa told, third one is your humanity. Okay? Humanity. So these three ideas, these three persons always inside you. Sometimes you don't know, sometimes your third person come to you. You are ignoring. You need first one. So these three people always inside you. That's why Buddha taught us, try to observe about yourself. Try to understand about your mind. Try to understand who you are. So second one is, Buddha said, we have to understand about our thoughts. So our mind, for a moment, there are thousands thoughts come to our mind, good and bad. So during our meditation practice, we are always observing our thoughts. We are always observing our mind. So it is very important to understand your thoughts, your mind. There are another little story. There was a famous professor. One day he was thinking, I want to find out what is the meaning of religion. There are over 4,000 religions in this world. So many different ideas. Then one day he was thinking, I want to find out what is the exactly meaning of religion. Then he was thinking, I want to find very simple answer for that. What he did, he visited so many places, he visited so many wise people, wise monk. Then he asked same question, please tell me what is the definition, what is the meaning of religion word, religion. I need very simple answer. Then finally he went to one of temple, then he met head monk. Then they had a little chat. Afterward, he asked that same question. That monk told, then he asked, what is the meaning of religion? Then he told, simple answer is silent. Silent. Then he asked again, he was very surprised. Then he asked, how I can develop silent? How you can develop silent? I'm asking you. How you can develop your silent? That monk told, you have to meditate. When you are meditate, it means you are practicing silent. Then again he asked, what is the silent mean? That monk told, silent mean meditation. meditate. So when we are practicing meditation, we are just observing ourselves silently, quietly. You are noticing your so many thoughts, good and bad. This is the second one. Buddha said we have to always understand about our thoughts. So third one is we have to find a good teacher to our daily life. Who is our first teachers? Who is our first teachers? Our parents. They always guide us. So they always help us. Still, my mother always calling me every morning, evening, asking things. How are you doing? Still, she is caring us. So that's the parents. We have to find someone special to guide you. Maybe your friends, maybe someone, because friends are very special. They can help you, they can guide you. We are called noble friends. Noble friends are, it is not easy to find noble friends. So try to find good friend, good teacher to guide you. So try to think about these three ideas. Try to understand about yourself, also your thoughts, and also try to find a good teacher to help you, guide you. So try to think about these three ideas. You can practice, you can apply to your daily life. It can help you to develop your good thoughts every day. So thank you so much for coming. We can meet again in the same place next Wednesday, 7 to 8. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.